Welcome back to the Aquarius software training video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view and filter data sets within Aquarius Springboard. Once you have one or more locations selected in Aquarius Springboard, their data sets will appear in the central panel. Now, you can filter on the data sets column headings. So for example, in this case, we're looking at data sets from 3 different locations. And let's say we wanted to just see the stage data sets. So I'm going to filter on the parameter column and click on the filter icon and enter in stage and click enter or the filter button. So now we see it's only showing data sets of the stage parameter. Now I could continue filtering down further by filtering on another column and say we are only interested in the telemetry data sets. And I typed that incorrectly. So let's type that correctly. And there we go. So now we've got 3 different data sets from 3 different locations being filtered here. I can turn off the filter in one fell swoop here by clicking on this blue filter icon. So now the filters have been removed globally. And I want to show one other filter item within the column header. Let's go back to stage. Now we can do a combined Boolean logic or add an or statement. So we want to filter on parameters that are stage and precipitation. So I want to see both of those types of data sets. And there we go. We see it's showing stage and precipitation, the 2 kinds of precipitation, because I only entered as part of that search string. I think I entered PRECI, which of course matches precipitation cumulative, precipitation incremental, and you can see all of the different data sets from my 3 locations that match that criteria. I'm going to clear that parameter, so now there's no filtering being applied once again. Now the last part of the filtering I'd like to show you is the active checkbox. When it's not selected, it's simply all of your data sets for all of the locations chosen will be displayed unless you have some kind of filtering applied. However, when it is selected, only data sets that have had activity within the last 90 days, by default, it's a global setting. Activity meaning data has been added to it, or some of the metadata has changed, or approvals have been applied over the last 90 days. So anything that has not had any activity will not show in this list.